Let's explore how to navigate Front and use your sidebar and inbox spaces to keep your conversations organized and your productivity high. First things first, let's do a quick overview. Front is split into 4 sections. The sidebar, which is your navigation menu, the message list, which shows previews and high-level information about your conversations, the conversations panel, which is where you'll action and manage conversations, and the integrations panel, which brings additional features, information, and third-party integrations directly into your Front experience. Let's start by talking about the sidebar, which is the leftmost panel in Front. Your sidebar offers a streamlined view to help you focus on what matters most. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see your primary navigation menu. Think of this as your command center, with access to inboxes, calendar, contacts, analytics, knowledge base, settings, and more. All of your conversations are organized within the sidebar. You'll find 3 distinct sections designed to make prioritizing your work easier than ever. Open. This is where all your active, ongoing conversations live. Think of it as your immediate to-do list. Later. For those conversations that aren't urgent but you don't want to forget, the Later section will show your snoozed and waiting messages. It helps you keep your Open section clear without losing track of important follow-ups. Done. Once a conversation is resolved, archived, or completed, it moves to your Done section. This keeps your inbox tidy and gives you a clear sense of accomplishment. You can find your archived or completed conversations here. Click into the Open section to expand your view. Here, you'll see your open conversations broken down into additional sections. Assigned to me. These are all of the conversations that have been assigned to you from a team inbox. As the assignee, you own responsibility for these conversations on behalf of the team, so be sure to action them accordingly. Please note that as the owner, any action you take on these conversations, such as changing the ticket status or archiving the conversation, will impact other people's view of the conversation. Subscribed. Here you'll find any conversations that you're subscribed to receive updates on, including your discussions. You may become subscribed to a conversation because of your participation or because a teammate mentioned you. You can click here to unsubscribe and stop receiving updates. It's always safe to archive a conversation in your subscribed section, and it will not impact the view for other teammates. Individual inbox. This is your individual inbox that you'll link your work email address to. For example, john@company.com. By default, the conversations in this inbox are private to you. Down below, you have access to some additional sections. If you have drafts in progress, they'll appear here. Click More to expand and see Sent, Trashed, and Spam messages. As you scroll down your sidebar, you'll see the Pinned section, which features starred conversations as well as any tags you've pinned to view. Next, you'll see the Views section with any views you've pinned. Below, you'll find your team workspaces, along with team inboxes. Click to expand or collapse your workspace view. You can hover over an inbox name and select the 3 dots to edit your sidebar and pin or hide additional inboxes and other resources. Click the arrow to reorganize the order of sections in your sidebar. At the very bottom of your sidebar, you'll find some very important buttons. Click your icon for quick access to your availability status and more. The question mark icon will bring you to Front resources, including access to our Help Center and other helpful information. Moving back up to the top of the sidebar, you'll spot a handy plus icon. This is your quick access to create new conversations, discussions with teammates, tasks, or even initiate a voice call. Next to it, the search bar, represented by a magnifying glass icon, is your go-to for quickly finding any conversation you need. Want more space to read and reply? Click here at the top of your navigation menu to collapse the sidebar, giving you a wider view. When you want it back, you can hover on the left side of the window for a quick view of the sidebar, or click the icon again to pin your sidebar panel. Let's move on to the second panel, the message list. The contents of whichever space you're clicked into will appear in the message list here. You'll see a preview of all conversations that live within the selected section. At the top of the list, you can filter and sort the conversations to change the order in which they appear. Once you click into a conversation, it will appear here in the conversation panel. The conversation panel is where you can read your messages, reply, and interact with your teammates. At the top, you'll find key information, such as the inbox the conversation lives in, tags that have been applied, the assignee, and much more. Lastly, we'll click to expand the 4th section, the Plugins and Integrations panel. If your team has connected any external tools to Front, you'll find them here without needing to switch windows or leave the conversation you're working on. Out of the box, you'll find the Contact Details plugin, which allows you to see valuable information about the contact you're communicating with. You also have quick access to your calendar, knowledge base, and more. And there you have it. Front's inbox experience is all about empowering you to manage your communications more effectively.